Welcome to the shop. Well, I'm not going to be doing any machining today, and I almost thought that it wasn't even worth doing a video, but I wanted to give an update on the progress of this latest project, the multi-axis hot glass squeezer. I've shown a couple of parts being made. Most of the parts are pretty uninteresting, and I didn't really get the camera out and do videos in the construction process. I'm going to talk a little bit about the progress that I've made and about the problems that I was trying to solve. And this will be a short one. And well, I don't know, as I continue along the progress of this project and get into making some of the squeezing dies, I'll probably do some more machining videos. But for today, I'm just going to show you why I'm doing what I'm doing and what I've done as of now. The experimental prototype multi-axis hot glass squeezer has proven to be a very useful tool, but unfortunately, it's pretty big, pretty tall, and if I decided to put it into production and offer it for sale, probably have to strap it to a pallet and send it truck freight. So I'm in the process of coming up with the next version, and one of the things that I wanted to do is to make it disassemble for shipment. Another thing that I wanted to do, the thing works really well, but I'm getting a little bit of flex and a little bit of deflection at the top when pushing hard on a piece of glass. And so I thought, well, maybe I just made the original one a little bit too wimpy, and so I'm going to make the next one a little stronger. One of the things, I'm using 15 millimeter linear bearings on the original prototype, and there's really no reason for that. I can use bigger. And some of the pieces, this original prototype has been through multiple, probably, I don't know, 10 teardowns and rebuilds along the way to being developed. And I thought it would be really good just to start with a clean sheet of paper and just see what I could do, taking what I've learned from this version and see if I can make a better version. So here's today's progress report. I'm in the process of building what I call Release Candidate 1. This will be a new version, taking what I've learned from the prototype and seeing if I can come up with some better ideas to address some of the problems. The head is now a separate piece, and you've got those 4 aluminum spacers, and then it's screwed onto a plate on the column, and then down below a similar kind of arrangement where the triangular base is also a separate item, and that means that it can be disassembled into 3 pieces for shipment, which I believe is going to be a reasonable way to solve that problem. This one isn't finished yet, but I can still show some of the things that I'm doing. I've gone up to a 20 millimeter linear bearing and just made some of the parts a little bit stronger, a little bit stiffer. It's got a spring that returns the sliders to their home position. Made a little weldment down there that's going to be the place where the foot pedal lever attaches. And I'm keeping the same chain drive idea that I had on the other one. It seems to work really well. So that's today's update. See you later.